Hello friend, welcome to my kitchen. Today I wanted to share with you my instant idli dhokla recipe. See how spongy it is. Then let's start. I will take one bowl. Then I will take 1.5 cup of gram flour, which means besan. Then add 2 tablespoons of fine semolina, means rava suji. Then add half tablespoon of ginger paste. Then 1 green chili, fine chop. I add half tablespoon of turmeric and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Then add 1 pinch of hing, which means asafoetida. 1/4 cup of curd, 2 tablespoon of oil, vegetable oil, half tablespoon of salt, and mix properly. See, then I will add 1 cup of water. With the help of this whisker, I will mix well. We should have to focus. Stir till then, no lumps, and make smooth consistency. Like this. Then add half tablespoon of means fruit salt, and mix gently for further batter. Perfect consistency. Then I will grease idli plate. Then pour all plate this batter. Then place in steamer. Like this. Then close. I steam for 12 minutes. After that I open. Steam completely. Then I will scrap idli. Dhokla idli is ready. See, all this idli. Now I will take one pan. Then add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of mustard, half tablespoon of cumin seed, 1 tablespoon of sesame, 1 pinch of hing, 3 chili slit, few curry leaves. Then I will fry all this well manner. Then 1/4 cup of water I will add. Then 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1/4 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice I will add, and stir and boil properly. Tempering is ready. Then I will apply all this idli. Then I will garnish with grated coconut. See, now you can enjoy in your side. You should have to make this recipe in your home, friend. I will come back soon. New recipe. Till then, bye bye. Bye bye, friend.